Is life really difficult? Is it really difficult? People say life is a struggle. Is it really struggle? Or is it we think so? Hi, my name is Naresh Kumar and I'm a trainer, mentor and a coach. And I will help you to come out of your comfort zone. A lot of people say that life is really difficult. It's not so. You make it difficult. You think it difficult. You have made it so difficult that you're not willing to believe that life is very beautiful. Of course you need to work hard. But you are not ready to work hard. If you're not ready to work hard, then how you are going to gain your life? You only feel difficult. Life becomes very tough with you when you have not lived your life fully. Mark my word. When you have not lived your life fully, then you feel that life is very tough with you. Life has been unjust with you. Life is doing very injustice with you. You only feel then when you have not lived your life fully. So whose mistake is this? You're not living your life fully. Where you should work hard, you are not working. You are avoiding the problems. You are avoiding everything. Wherever there is a pain, and at last you are suffering a lot of pain. You avoid pain to suffer pain. What a strategy you are following. Let me tell you where the problem is. Problem is how you are thinking. You are thinking only of the problems. You are not thinking of the solution. You are only for the short term actually. You have to be long term. By learning any skill can give you advantage of 5%. Why don't you go for it? By learning anything gives you a boost in your career. Why don't you go for it? I know it has a cost. Nothing comes for free. You tell me, what have you achieved so far free of cost? Everywhere cost is incurred. Is it not so? Yes, nothing comes for free. And if you keep on thinking about the cost, then you are never going to be successful. You will have a lot of suffer. So better work on your personality. Work on the skills that is necessary, and most importantly, all starts from the attitude. How you are thinking, perspective. Expand your perspective, expand your knowledge, expand your attitude. That way you can have a winning attitude. I hope it helps. Thank you so much. Bye bye.